Hi, my name is Anya and welcome to my channel. It's April, the season of new beginnings. And what better way to celebrate than by creating some egg art? Today we will be transforming plain eggs into little masterpieces using the magic of acrylic paints. So, grab your eggs, some brushes and get ready to unleash your creativity. Before we crack into the fun, remember we are using real eggs. Please handle them with care. You can sketch a light design on your egg first. Flowers, geometric patterns or even a cute bunny. The possibilities are endless. We will start with the base coat. Cover the entire egg in your chosen color, making sure to get into the all nooks and crannies. Set it aside to dry completely. Once your base coat is dry, it's time to add some pizzazz. Grab a smaller brush and contrasting color for those special touches. Wow, look at that! You have created a stunning piece of egg art. This beautiful egg would be perfect for Easter decoration or even a thoughtful handmade gift. Like and subscribe to my channel for more creative adventures.